Kwa Maingi, ciana cia Airitu a Ruriri rwa Ukabi makoretwo matekuhota guthie na mbere na mathomo mao kumana na unduire wa ruriri ruru hamwe na ciiko cia kuruithio kwa Airitu na kuhikithio tene. No na kuri uguo ni kugite na mwihoko wa kugacira mathomo-ini thutha wa thukuru wa Airitu wa Olashapani secondary gicigo-ini bunge kia Narok ya muhuro Gukorwo ari Riuriro ria Airitu kia gutunyukithio ihoto ciao.
Now when they come here there are students that are coming to be helped na tunawasaidia sana. We have guidance and counseling team that always is there for them. We have families that have programs on how to help these girls.
Kurigana na mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu Gloria Nikanatha ni atariirio ria makoretwo makihe mwigitio kuri arutwo aya aria aingi yao ni aciari na aingi mahonoketio kumana na kuruithio Kiahinya.
These are girls, most of them that come from a less privileged society. Tunakuta ya kwamba wengi wameathirika na they have stories, and most of these stories are stories that are sad. Where they come from, most of them have undergone FGM, early marriages. Some of them even have had babies, even in primary school up to now.
Thukuru uyu na uria wakorirwo kianjiriria kuri mwaka wa 2017 na arutwo 24 riu ni utheremete na gutuika umwe wa thukuru iria ire na arutwo aingi wona uri na arutwo 800 aingi ao makiuma micini iria itehotete.
Tulianza mwaka wa 2017 na hapo ndio nilitumwa na Teacher Service Commission kuanzisha hii shule. Na wakati nilifika hapa nilikuta wasichana 24 na darasa 3. Moja ilikuwa dorm, darasa ingine ilikuwa classroom na ingine ilikuwa ofisi. Tukaendelea kukua mpaka saa hii tuko na population ya 800 students.
Nikanatha ni atariire ati makoretwo magikuruhania na maundu matiganite ari hamwe na mathako niguo kuhotithia arutwo aya kuriganirwo ni mathina maria matungitio na kumateithĩrĩria gwikirira githomo.
Tunawachukua kama watoto wetu, tunawajenga co-curricular, academically we've been doing very well in the sub-county.
Ni kumana na ikinya riri ria guthaitira mwana wa Airitu wa ruriri ruru rwa Ukabi, thirikari ya kaunti-ini igirire na guteithĩrĩria ari gutigirira kioneki kia mwarimu uyu hamwe na arutwo ake ni giakinyanira.
Shida ya wasichana wetu katika Narok South na katika Narok, hii maneno ya girl child, we were proposing this school sababu iko na the right environment. We even consider expanding tuweke hata rescue center. Ndio wale wasichana ambaye wako kwa taabu, wale tunawatoa kwa wazee, wanakuja hapa wanaingishwa katika masomo na hawa wanafunzi ambaye wako hapa.
Nimeridhishwa kabisa na yale ambayo Madam Gloria na walimu wenzake wamefanya katika hii shule ya Olashapani. Nasikia hii shule kwa kaunti mzima ndio wako na discipline kushinda kila bahali.
Na kuona kiara kimwe gitiuraga nda aritira ya gukinyia kioneki yake kia mto wa Muiritu Nikanatha ari na reta na kuri aciari othe.
So I would like to appeal our parents, remember this country depends on the women of this country. I'm not saying that men are not important. I'm saying that when this lady, this young girl is mentored to be a woman, she will be a responsible one. She will give you more advantages when she's responsible and self-sustaining than when she's not. She will lift the burden of dependency on you. She will be the one to help you when it comes to your livelihood. She can even uplift your families. Always taking initiative of warning our girls, talking to them. You've used your creativity and journalism to talk to these students.
Ngiribotera Muzingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.